Good morning, class 8. Welcome back to your biology classroom once again. Today I am going to start testes. So look at your book. The testes are contained in the scrotum of the male reproductive organ. So what is the location of testes? Testes are basically located in the scrotum of the male reproductive organ. Function: they secrete the male sex hormone testosterone. Testosterone regulates the development of the reproductive organs and the secondary sexual characteristics at the puberty, such as dipping of voice, growth of the facial and the body hair, and so on. So basically, testes release the male sex hormone, that is testosterone. Testosterone basically help to develop the reproductive organ and the secondary sexual characteristics at puberty, such as dipping of voice, growth of facial and body hair. Next, ovaries. The ovaries are almond-shaped glands located on the both sides of the uterus below the opening of the fallopian tube. So at first you will underline the location of ovaries. This portion is very important. Ovaries basically are almond-shaped glands. बहुत ही छोटा है. Located on the both side of uterus below the opening of fallopian tube. Function: they secrete the female sex hormones called estrogen and progesterone. These hormones regulates the development of reproductive organs and secondary sexual characteristics at puberty, such as high pitched voice. क्योंकि normally in case of girls हम लोगों का voice जो है वो बहुत shrill होता है, and so on. A summary of endocrine gland and the hormones they secretes along with their location and function is given in the table 5.2 and figure 5.7. So look at the chart. Pituitary gland. Location: at the base of brain. Main hormone secreted by it, growth hormone. Function: regulates the growth of body, controls overall development of the body, increases the rate of protein synthesis. Basically, growth hormone regulates our growth of the body. Next, thyroid gland. Throat region. Main secreted hormone is thyroxine and calcitonin. Thyroxine regulates rate of cellular metabolism and regulates body temperature by energy production. Next, pancreas. Location: abdomen. Pancreas release insulin, regulates amount of glucose in the blood. Insulin regulates the amount of glucose in the blood, regulates conversion of glucose into glycogen. Most important, basically हम लोगों का ब्लड में जो ग्लूकोज का मात्रा है वो कंट्रोल होता है इंसुलिन के द्वारा और इट एक्चुअली हेल्प टू कन्वर्ट द ग्लूकोज इनटू ग्लाइकोजन. एड्रिनल ग्लैंड्स. अबव किडनीज. दो किडनी के ठीक ऊपर है एड्रिनल ग्लैंड लोकेटेड. Adrenaline and noradrenaline help a person cope with the emergency situation and help the body to fight stress and pain. Next, ovaries, lower abdomen, just beside the uterus. Uterus की दो तरफ almond shaped ovaries are located. Estrogen and progesterone control reproductive growth and development and reproductive behavior. Next, testis, scrotum, testosterone control reproductive growth and development and reproductive behavior also. So basically, sex hormone in case of male and female, they control the growth and development of reproductive organ as well as the control the secondary sexual characteristic at the puberty stage. Here is the location. As the basement of brain, pituitary gland, also called the master gland, for what? Lies at the base of brain, secretes the growth hormone and other hormones to control the functioning of other glands. Pituitary gland basically control the secretion of other glands. That's why it is also known as master gland. Next, parathyroid gland. कहाँ पे है? Four small glands attached to the thyroid gland secrete parathormone, which regulates the calcium and phosphorus metabolism in the blood. Next, pancreas contains islets of Langerhans, which secretes insulin for the controlling glucose level in the blood. So basically, insulin secretes from the islets of Langerhans. It controls the glucose regulation and it also helps the convert the glucose into glycogen. Next, testes. These are the scrotum. इसके अंदर है testis, male sex hormones testosterone, which regulates the growth of reproductive organ and behavior. Next, adrenal gland, just above the kidney. Situated above the each kidney, produces stress hormone adrenaline to cope with emergency. Ovaries secretes the female sex hormone estrogen and progesterone, which regulates the growth and reproductive organs and the behavior. Thyroid gland, situated in the throat region, secretes thyroxine, which necessary for the growth and development. Next, adolescence and accompanying changes. Human being can reproduce only after achieving sexual maturity. So after achieving our maturity, we are able to reproduce. This happens when reproductive organs become functional. मतलब जब हम लोग का रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन काम करना चालू कर देता है तब जाके हम लोग नॉर्मली अचीव द सेक्सुअल मैच्योरिटी. द स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ when the body becomes capable of sexual reproduction after attaining sexual maturity is known as puberty. इसके नीचे अंडरलाइन करना, what is puberty is very important stage of our life. Puberty is the life stage when body become capable for sexual reproduction after attaining sexual maturity. जिस स्टेज में नॉर्मली हम लोग गेन करते हैं सेक्सुअल मैच्योरिटी को, जिस दौरान हम लोग एबल होता है सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन करने का, उस स्टेज को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? प्यूबर्टी. प्यूबर्टी इज अटेन्ड अर्लियर इन गर्ल्स देन बॉयज. It starts at the age of 10 to 11 years and it completed by the age of 15 to 16 years in female. So normally in case of girls, puberty start early rather than boys at the age of 10 to 11 years. So age की नीचे underline करना, और it is completed by 15 to 16 years. Normally puberty 15 to 16 years के अंदर पूरा complete हो जाता है. In male, it start at the age of 11 to 12. And it is completed by 16 to 17 years. However, the period may vary from person to person. The period of transition from childhood to adulthood is known as adolescence. So normally childhood से जब हम लोग adulthood में घुस रहे हैं, this transition को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Adolescence. Latin word adolescere means grow up. Thus, adolescence continues till the age of 18 to 19. So, adolescence continue from 10 to 19 years. The body undergoes several physical, psychological, and the hormonal changes during adolescence. So, during adolescence, there will be different types of changes. It may be physical, psychological, and hormonal. Physical changes during adolescence. Sexual maturation, increase in height, change in body appearance, and change in voice are some of the physical changes that occur during these phases. Sexual maturation. Many hormonal changes takes place in the males and females during sexual maturity. In males, the testes start producing the male hormone testosterone. This causes the sex organ to develop fully. So after the releasing testosterone, basically male sex organ to develop fully. Also the testes start producing sperm. In females, the ovaries start producing the female hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Also the ovaries start releasing eggs. Also under the influence of their reproductive sex hormone, secondary sexual characteristics also develop in both male and females. There is an enlargement of the external genital organs in males and enlargement breasts in females. सो बेसिकली आफ्टर गेनिंग द मैच्योरिटी द एक्सटर्नल जो जेनिटल चेंजेस होता है इन केस ऑफ मेल, उन लोगों का आर्म चेस्ट आकार में बढ़ जाता है, उस हिसाब से इनलार्जमेंट ऑफ द ब्रेस्ट इन फीमेल्स, फीमेल्स का इनलार्जमेंट होता है ब्रेस्ट का. सो स्टूडेंट, hope all of you understood what I've discussed in this point. So for today, after this portion,